Hello friend, welcome. In this video, let's try to add sound effect in our Connect 4 iOS game. Okay, and we'll investigate a very tricky problem and provide a workaround for that. Okay, so let's get started. For now, yeah, we can drop a piece, right? Let's play in a single device mode. Yeah, but there's no sound effect. So I already have a sound file here. So to play a sound, we only need to, yeah, so this is the sound file, and when I click it, can you hear it? Maybe not, because when I'm recording the video, the sound from the computer itself is very low, the volume. Okay, but anyway, there's a sound like a drop, like that. Okay, so drag this one and put it somewhere here, and make sure this is checked. Copy item if needed. Okay, and finish. Now it's here. So if I click here, we can, yeah, we can hear the sound. Pia, pia. Okay. So the name is drop.wave. We'll play the sound in our view model here. Yeah, this is the place we want to play, right? When we drop at a location, drop the piece. So but first we need to create the sound. So normally we'll do that var like dropping sound. Okay, dropping sound data. Oh, we need to import the AV foundation for the, yeah, audio video foundation to play the sound. So this one, the type is AVPlayer question mark. Okay, so it means when we let's use this one. So when we create it, if it failed, then it's okay. We know what maybe the sound file name, right, was wrong. Now let's create it here. Dropping sound equals AVPlayer URL. So we need an URL, right? So what is the URL? bundle.main. This is like to get into our file system maintained by the iOS.url for resource. Yeah, this is, yeah, the name, right? The file name of our sound is that. Extension is wave, right? And here, yeah, when we create the URL, the return type is an optional, so we force unwrapping to get that. Okay, so yeah, the sound is created, and we can add it here. For example, let's put it here. Dropping sound dot play. Okay, now let's test it. Command R to run it. Yeah, did you hear the sound? Pia. But it only happens once. Now the sound is gone. Yeah, let me load this app onto my iPhone 7 because you can hear clearly the sound. Okay, so stop that. Let's go to my iPhone 7, the real device here, so you can hear the sound clearly. Only the first time it plays the song. Yeah, listen. Right? Now when I drop the second piece, no sound. Okay, so if we Google, right, this problem like AVPlayer, only plays sound once, you'll get a solution like that. Some people suggested, yeah, dropping sound dot seek to time dot 0. So now let me try it again. I'll load on my iPhone 7 with iOS 14.2. Now you see it works, right? The first sound is still same. Did you notice the difference? Let me try it again. Very tricky. I'll reload. Listen, the difference between the first sound, the first time and the rest of time. Okay, the first one very loud. Okay, the second one weak. Since then, the sound is very weak. I cannot explain why. I didn't have this problem before, and in my previous experience, we don't even need this line. But now, only the first time the sound works as expected. With this one, we have the second and the third sound playing, but the effect is weak. It's like the sound is changed. Okay, so for our purpose, because this is a short, like piece dropping sound, right? And my workaround is I'll just recreate the sound. So I'll remove this one, cut, and put it here. I don't need this one. I just recreate the sound. This is not efficient, right? But it works for our game, because it's a very short sound, so it's not big deal. Let's try it again. First the sound. Yeah, now every time from the first to the last, they are same, all the sound now. So if you have the similar sound problem like that, yeah, you can try this. Okay, yeah, that's our workaround for the sound problem. Okay, so I'll check in the code, and thank you for watching. See you next time.